Hey everybody. Uh, this week we got a little something different for you. Um, before I talk about this week's assignment, I wanted to give a shout out to everybody that did such a great job on last week's test over geometric figures, which was on Alex. You guys are doing a great job. I'm super impressed with how hard you're working and the questions that you're asking. So keep up the good work. There are a few people that still need to take the test, and so the window is still open for you to go in and do that and get that taken care of. So moving forward this week, um, we decided that we are going to focus this week on your Khan Academy progress. Miss Lipstraw's class is doing the same thing, and my class is going to be doing the same thing. So for this week, your goal, your assignment, your challenge is to increase your percentage. Whatever you're starting at right now, I've written down everybody's current progress percentage, and your goal is to increase by 3%. And so if you increase 3%, you'll get full credit for this week's math assignment. Now remember, the overall goal by the end of the school year for AB, if you're an AB, your goal is to get to 75% progress on Khan Academy. And if you're in CD or EF, your goal for the end of the year is to get to 50% for Khan Academy. So keep working on that stuff. So back to this week's assignment. If you increase your Khan Academy percentage by 3 points, you'll get full credit for the assignment. If you increase by 2 points, you'll get 2/3 of the credit, which sounds okay, but remember that's a 66%, which is not a great score. So you want to try and challenge yourself and go up 3% to get full credit for the assignment. One perk or one way you can earn an additional point is if you join this week's office hours, which would be on Wednesday. I believe they're going to be at 11 or 11:30. You'll have to check Google Classroom. I'll post that invite for you on Wednesday morning. And so if you come to the office hours on Wednesday and you can ask questions related to Khan Academy, you'll get an extra point for this week's assignment. So if you increase by 3% and you come to the office hours, you'll get extra credit or bonus points for this week's assignment, which is very nice. And if for some reason you only go up 2% and you come to the office hours, then that will give you full credit because you'll get bonus for doing the office hours. So keep up the good work. If you have any questions, a lot of you are sending emails with your questions. Send the emails and I'll get into contact with you to answer your questions. I hope you're doing well. I miss you guys so much, and keep doing the good work. You guys are doing a great job. I know this is really different and difficult and kind of weird, and I'm really proud of how well you guys are keeping up with your work. So keep doing what you're doing. Again, if you have questions, let me know. And you know, if for some reason maybe you haven't done so hot the last few weeks, might as well just turn it in, put it in gear and get going on it. Send me an email if you have questions. I'd love to hear from you, and I hope to see you at the office hours, and keep working on that Khan Academy, and I'll see you soon.